My dear students, in class 6 you have learned more about decimals. You have also learned addition and subtraction of the decimals. In this class we can read the multiplication and division of the decimals also and revise it. Now decimals, the number expressed in decimal forms are called decimals. For example, 6.8, 16.73, 8.364, 0.0785, etc. is a decimal. A decimal has two parts, namely whole number parts and second decimal parts. These parts are separated by a dot called the decimal points. This dot is called decimal points. Now 17.835. So the left hand side from decimal, that is 17, is called whole number part, and right hand side from decimal, that is 835, is called decimal parts. The part on LHS of the decimal point is the whole number part, and that on its RHS is the decimal parts. 6.8, 6 is called whole number parts and 8 is called decimal parts. 8.536, it is read as 8.536. Don't read 8.536. Always remember, it is read as 8.536, not 8.536. Like decimals, decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, 6.73, 8.05, 19.68 are like decimals, each having two decimal places. Each having two decimal places. So it is called like decimals. 7.564, 19.786, 91.057, three decimal places. In second, also three decimal places, and third, three decimal places. So these are the examples of like decimals. Unlike decimals, decimals having different number of decimals places are called unlike decimals. Say 5.3, in 5.3, one digits after decimal. 7.94, two digits after decimal. 15.034, three digits after decimal. So they are called unlike decimals. And important results: putting any number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal parts of a decimal does not change its value. For example, 7.8 can be written as 7.80 is equal to 7.800, etc. They are same. 12.94 can be written as 12.940 is equal to 12.9400. Now place value chart: hundreds, tens, ones, then decimal point. After decimal points, first digit is called tens place digit, second digit is called hundredths place digit, and third digit is called thousandth place digit, and fourth digit is called 10,000ths. Now exercise: convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. 0.8, convert into fraction. So 8 by 10, one decimal followed 1, and after decimal 1 digit, so put 10. Now there is common factors of 8 and 10 is 2. So divide numerator and denominator by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Write the given decimal without the decimal points as the numerator of the fraction. Step 2. In the denominator, write 1 followed by as many zeros as there are decimal places in the given decimal. Step 3. Reduce the above fraction to the simplest form, that is, the HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. When the when the HCF of numerator and denominator is 1, then the fraction is called in simplest form or standard form or in the lowest terms also. For example, 0.225 equal to 225 by, for decimal 1, and after decimal 3 digits 1 2 3, so put 30 after 1. And now the common factors of numerator and denominator is 25. So 225 divided by 25 and 1000 divided by 25, you will get 225 divided by 25 equal to 9. 1000 divided by 25, quotient is 40. So your fraction is 9 by 40. It is in simplest form or standard form or in lowest terms. Since HCF of 225 and 1000 is 25. Now homework. First question, 0.75, 0.06 and 0.285. Convert into mixed fraction. 5.6 equal to, write the whole number parts 5 and convert 0.6 into fraction. So 6 by 10. Now the common factors of 6 and 10 is 2. So divide 6 by 2, you will get 3. 10 divided by 2, you will get 5. So it is 5 whole 3 by 5. Similarly, do the remaining questions. Convert into a decimals. 47 by 10. Here denominator is 10. You know that 10 followed 1 0. So put decimal from right hand side after 1 digit. So it is 4.7. Now do the remaining questions.